Hi everyone, welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. My name is Orsi, aka Rocky. I'm the founder and head teacher of Phoenix Vocal Studio. I'm also a certified mindset and vocal coach, which means as a mindset and vocal coach, I do not work only the physiology of your voice, but the effect of singing on your mind, soul, and on your body. So my approach is quite holistic, which means I look at the whole picture when you come to me. So if you're interested in singing lessons, you can find the link below the video, phoenixvocalstudio.com. Or if you are someone who has no chance to take 1.o.1 lessons for any reasons, you can also join our membership site, which is called Phoenix. Phoenix is basically an online voice development platform for singers and singers-to-be. But if you want to know more information about the lessons or the membership site, you can find both links below the video. We're gonna continue Singing Lesson 101 video series, and today I'm going to talk about what makes a singer to be a good singer. I believe and I say that a singer is a messenger. A singer is a channel. A singer uses their voice to communicate, to say something, to tell a story, to express. Singers give and the audience receive. When a singer is able to become the channel, you can connect to the source, to the universe, to God, whichever you want to call. And we receive that energy, that message, whatever we personally need. Because everyone obviously is an individual and we need something different. So when the singer is able to become the channel, that's when we receive whatever we need. And that's why we feel sometimes that we heal by listening a singer. It's very interesting. And that can happen only if the singer leaves the ego behind. This is not about the ego. I believe that singing and music has an incredible effect to our lives, to our health. We could do something much bigger apart from the fame and all the surface, and all the surface, what we see usually on TV or in media. To me, singing is not about it. To me, singing is expressing, is telling you something, is giving you something. Just imagine that when you love a singer and when you feel that incredible energy that makes you cry, makes you shiver, makes you feel happy, or makes you feel that your heart is healing, that is the energy of the source. And that could happen even sometimes through one single note. You don't need 7 octaves to feel that healing energy. And I'm not saying that is a bad thing to have 7 octaves. I'm just saying that it doesn't depend on that. The history is full of singers who wasn't technically incredible. But when they were on the stage, they had that presence. They were able to become the channel, to become the messenger. And people loved them because they felt the incredible energy that the singer would be able to express, to release. To me, that makes a singer to be a good singer. Can you touch me here? Then, to me, you've done the job. And of course, we have technical approaches as well. So this should be technique and heart should be able to walk hand by hand. But we can see that it doesn't happen often. It doesn't. Because it's very easy to change sides, and it's very, very easy to go to the dark side. It's very rare when someone is able to become pure and the ego doesn't step in So to me, that makes a singer to be a good singer, if they are able to become the channel. Because that's when I receive what I need. Well, thank you very much for watching. I really hope that that you enjoyed the video. If you want to know more about the voice training, feel free to subscribe. Also, you can book consultation for singing lessons, or you can join our membership site. You can find all the links below the video. If you have any questions, post below the video if I didn't say that. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.